The story, the parables are very famous and frequently used by the masters to help our mind to realize where we are wrong in finding, in discovering inner peace and happiness. So sometimes we hear these parables in the stories and we are excited, we appreciate it, but we do not work on it. When we listen the stories, it should be received by a conscious mind and assimilated and digested. And that is where one story, there was a great master who always responds to the people out of the box. Two young guys wanted to learn meditation from him. So the master inquired from the first young guy, "Oh, did you practice meditation before?" "No, I didn't practice." "Okay, you can join my program. I will charge you only $100 for 25 sessions. It is very easy for a master to teach and educate the people mind which is raw, which is open. And then he inquired from the second guy, "Oh, have you done the practice?" "No, I have done practice for 10 years. "And you failed?" "Oh, yes, that's why I'm here with you. Do you want me to fail in guiding you?" "No, I want to succeed." "Okay, I will charge you $100 per session, $2,500 for a month." So the second boy said, "It is crazy. I know everything about meditation. Only thing I have come to you to see if I succeed." The master said, "Why I'm charging so high? Because I have to work hard on your mind. Your mind is working on you. So until I make you unlearn what you have learned, your mind will not leave you." And what is meditation? Meditation that when you work on the mind, not the mind works on you. So as long as the mind works on you, meditation will not succeed. So you will also fail me, because whatever you receive in terms of the knowledge and the practice, your mind will become instinctive, impulsive, and habitual. It will be on the autopilot. So I know your mind can fail any master, including the Buddha. So I have to make you unlearn. How to make you unlearn is to just remove the impurities of the mind that is causing the problem.